Hi, and welcome to another episode of Helena's Infinite Shades of Life. Today is going to be all about cleaning and decluttering. Hi, this is Helena. First, I want to tell you that I'm going to definitely bring out the next sweet cherry pie video soon. I have already done most of the recordings and it's just a matter of editing. Today, however, is going to be again a little bit different. As you guys might have noticed from my previous videos, and if you have been to my website, you will know that I am very much into the whole Mori girl thing, and I enjoy nature in general, and I love being close to nature, and I also feel certain connections with Wiccan culture, but I also enjoy older Celtic medieval styles. I like making clothes, I like combining things and putting my own little twist on things. Lately I haven't been really able to do much in the clothes design department because our place has been way too cluttered. Throughout this corona pandemic, things just have been piling up and our place is a mess. So I decided to have a little cleanup time. The kids have just started summer holidays and I have just started going back to work. My part-time work, that is. So I am still at home and baby is at home, but I don't have as much time at home as I would like to. For the last 2 weeks we have been working on our front yard, and our backyard is still in need of a lot of work as well. I can maybe show some pictures and videos at a later time. And now it is definitely time to clean the inside of our house. And I don't just mean clean, like I don't just mean taking a rag into your hand and wiping a couple of tables or putting some dishes into the dishwasher. No, I mean from top to bottom, going through everything and tossing or selling or donating whatever we don't need, which is a lot of work because we have a lot of things, especially kids' toys, but also other things. I have to go through my closet and go through all my clothes which I don't wear anymore because, believe it or not, I actually had a metal punk phase at some point. And I still have a lot of clothes from that era, which I will definitely not wear anymore. Long story short, there's a lot of clean and declutter challenges out there, and so I decided to jump on the bandwagon and do one myself. I have planned for these next 6 weeks, starting from coming Monday, which would be the 8th of June, to have a proper summer vacation clean and declutter challenge in 6 weeks. For that I have made my own checklists, which every week contain different things that have to be done. Now, I didn't go on a day-by-day basis because, like I said, I just started work. Therefore, I've only made it on a week-to-week basis. However, all these things that are on the weekly list should be done by the end of that week. Of course, I will do recordings during that time. I will try to make them as pretty as possible, but it is very time consuming, so you will see mostly raw footage, probably sped up and things cut out here and there, but just to get an idea of what has been going on a week-by-week basis. Now, if you would like to join into our little summer vacation decluttering plan, I have also made a blank version of our checklist, and you can download both week by week. I will post them this coming weekend, most likely on Sunday latest, since the whole thing is supposed to start on Monday. You can download them from my website as printable PDF files, and then you can use them yourself. You can You can download my ready-made one and you can take it as inspiration for your own personal week, and then you can download the blank one and you can fill in your own tasks and the things that have to be done. And if you do decide to join in with our little decluttering and cleaning challenge, my oldest son doesn't like calling it a challenge because he doesn't think it's much of a challenge. He'll be very surprised when we actually get to work. Then please do leave me some comments or send me some messages about how it is going on your end. I would really, really love to hear back. I will be showing you guys a little bit of what it looked like before, what it looked like after at the end of the week. And of course, like I said, the process in between. I'm trying not to show too much because we do have quite a mess. But I really, really hope that you guys will join. Oh yes, and as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, like I said, I am very much into the Mori theme and into the connected to nature. Sorry, I'm coming only back to that now. The reason I'm also doing this is not only to get space and to make this place cleaner and to make it more spacious so that I actually have the room to work on my dresses and dress designs. I'm also doing it because I am trying to maybe even renovate a little bit and beautify the place in a way that it suits my style more. So I have found these really, really gorgeous wall stickers because there is no way we're going to start putting proper wallpapers on the walls. So I found these really beautiful wall stickers that I'm going to order. I will probably show some of them on my website as well, or maybe even show you in one of my videos. However, I have to see first if I get them in time. I really hope I do, fingers crossed. And then I'm going to make this place, how should I call it? Fit for a Mori girl. I will make this place fit for a Mori girl. I'm trying to go into the direction of woodland inside, and of course I also love unicorns and all kinds of wild animals, forest animals especially, so they will definitely be present. And of course I want to make it really cute for the kids' room as well. Yes, the teenage boy doesn't really care so much about what I put on the walls. However, since we're going to also probably move the little toddler from the master bedroom into the kids' room for the night, so her bed gets moved if the space is sufficient, I would like to make it cute and pretty, and it seems that she is very much into pandas. I found these really, really cute panda stickers, and you will see the end result, I hope, and I hope that it will turn out the way that I imagine it, just to give this a little bit more of a homey feeling and bring nature inside as well as out. We can't really have plants inside because we have a cat that decided to eat everything that has leaves on it. So we have to settle for something look-alike. Anyways, I really hope that some of you might actually join in on this. You can just leave me a comment, or like I said, go to my website at infiniteshadesoflife.com. Check out the downloadable files, send me a message if you have some questions or requests or anything really that concerns you about this. You can also check back with me about those wall stickers that I'm, like I said, going to be showing on the website. And I'm trying to go with a bit of a seasonal theme. So we have certain areas in the house which you will see as we go through the house in those specific weeks. The kitchen is mostly going to be more in a summer theme, flowers and leaves, but not too much because there's not that much room. We have quite old kitchen cupboards, and since it's not really in the budget to have a full kitchen renovation right now, covering those with some pretty stickers is probably the best option. The living room, we're going to look into completely rearranging to get some more space out of it. And I'm trying to go for a little bit of a spring theme over there. And then we have our space which goes up the stairs. And then there's the upstairs with the bedrooms. So up the stairs should be more of a fall theme. We have a lot of like white walls which don't really have anything on them right now, and they look really, really plain. So I'm trying to beautify those a little bit. I found so many of those beautiful wall stickers that at the moment I am still pondering on how many I should put, because I don't want to make it too much. If it's too much, then it's just gonna look cramped again. It has to be a nice, even layout that feels comfortable. So I really have to hold myself back in not putting too many, because there's just so many pretty ones, especially the ones with the unicorns. You'll probably see unicorns in every room on every corner in the end. And then, like I said, there's the kids' room, which I'm gonna make a little bit cute, but since there's also the boys in there, I'm gonna have to see that I also make it a little bit cool for them. And then we just take it 1 week at a time, I guess. I can quickly tell you still what is this first week, what is on our plan. So as I showed this before, the first week, the first thing on the agenda, of course, is to get boxes, and to get especially same-sized boxes which are stackable. We have in a outside storage, warm storage. We don't have a garage, but we have a warm storage where we can put things that we don't need, but that we don't really want to toss either. However, our storage right now is so full as well that, as you can see, it's right there, second point on the list, clear out storage. So that's the first thing we have to do. It's not even gonna be inside the house. We're gonna go into the storage in the first week, in the first days, and just take everything out, clear everything out, check which baby clothes I'm still going to keep, you know, either for, who knows, if there's, you know, still another one in our family at some point, or then for my kids to have their kids at some point. I would like to pass those along, but then there's a lot of clothes that really don't need to be kept, and other people might need them, might use them if they're still in good condition. So it's time to say goodbye. And the same thing goes for, we have toys that are stored in storage. We have to go through those. We have to see which ones are good for Cami to use next and which ones we really don't need. So like I said, the storage is the first place, and then we have to reorganize the storage, because of course we need to make space so that when we have started inside the house, we can move the things that we don't need but that we don't want to toss into storage, right? So that's gonna be the next step. And then after storage, the next thing we're gonna attack is the kids' room. The kids' room looks almost every day like a bomb hit in, mostly due to my younger son not really putting his things away when he should. He takes things out, he's very creative, he builds his own forts, he makes his own stuff, but then things just keep on lying around. And it doesn't matter how many times I say clean up, then he puts them from one side to another, but still they are not really cleaned up. And the second problem is that they are missing storage space inside the room. So we have this one shelf which is really, really not suitable. So we're definitely gonna try and find a replacement for that. And yeah, basically that's where we're gonna start. Like I said, reorganize kids' room furniture. That's the next thing. And then we just have to shop for supplies. Like I said, new shelf maybe new boxes, proper boxes that are stackable for the kids' room as well, so they can put their own toys in and so on and so forth. And then we'll just toss the rest. And that'll be our first week. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And that's gonna be starting from, like I said, next Monday. I might at some point be able to, maybe this coming weekend even, still work on the video for the sweet cherry pie code, because I've been working very hard on continuing that design. So with a little bit of luck, I might be able to bring out the next video so you guys have something to watch. And then after that, it's all about clean and declutter. I hope you guys will join me. I hope you guys will leave me messages and show me how it's going, and leave me comments, leave me likes if you like what you're seeing and what I'm trying to do here. There's, of course, like I said, a lot of clean and declutter challenges out there. You can find a lot of different templates, a lot of ideas and suggestions. This is just one of them. And then I'll hopefully see you by the end of next week, which would be Sunday the 14th, when the first of our declutter videos is gonna come out. Until then, I hope you're having a great time. I hope summer kicked in where you are, and see you soon. Bye bye.